Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. We've covered the foundation, the branded colors, fonts, and the beautiful header. Now it's time to focus on the hero section. The hero section is the first banner, the huge visual area right below your header. Think of it as the cover of a magazine. It needs to instantly grab attention, showcase your personal brand, and tell visitors exactly what your site is about. In a stunning way, of course. So, in this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to design a captivating hero section using your best professional images and a clear, compelling headline. Let's dive in. First, we need to replace the template's placeholder image with one of your gorgeous professional headshots. To quickly edit your heroes section, just simply click on it and click on the pencil icon or the quick edit button. They're the same thing. Now, a panel here on the right will appear, and this is where you can easily edit its contents. Here, you can change your section background if you want to, and you can also change your images. In my case, the template we selected comes with a slideshow section. And so far, I think we have two slides. Slide one is already made, but we're going to be editing its contents. So I'm going to start with slide one and change its image. So I'm going to click on change and I'm going to select image. I'm going to go to site files because this is where we will be able to find all of the files that we've previously uploaded. As you remember in the previous video, we've uploaded our files, so select an image here that you'd like to use. And once you do that, the image here should successfully be replaced. Now we can go back and work on the title. We will take care of the images on the other slides later on. So over here, add a catchy tagline. And of course, it can't really be seen, but no worries. We're going to be editing that later on after we finish editing all the contents on this section to make it easier. And as for your button, you can choose to keep it or delete it. It depends on you. But in my case, I'm going to be keeping it and I'm going to be linking it to my blog soon once I set it up. So I'm going to say something like tutorials. Great. So since we finished slide one, let's work on slide number two. So we're going to add another image here and do the same thing. Let's input our paragraph. Same for the button. All right. So since we're done, we are going to be closing this panel now, and we're going to edit our elements here manually. So as you can see, our text here cannot be seen. Let's click on it and click Edit Text. And this is where you can design your text however you want to, using the tools you can find here on this small window. So you can change its colors and even add effects to it, like shadows, for example. And same for your button. So click on your button and click on Design. Select a button design that you'd like to use. And if you'd like to customize it further, you can simply click on Customize Design. And here you can change its fill color, edit its border, corners, shadow, text, etc. By the way, we will be taking care of the link later since our blog has not yet been set up. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, since we have a slider, we're actually going to go to slide number two and do the same thing. So once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to save your changes. And that's how you design a captivating hero section that draws visitors into your world. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.